Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today, we will review basic guidelines for installing Arnott's remanufactured front, right, and left air struts for the Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 with Airmatic and without 4MATIC, including AMG. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Raise the vehicle and remove the applicable wheel. Deflate the vehicle air suspension system per manufacturer's specifications. Now remove the engine bay trim panel from the applicable side. Next, disconnect the airline from the strut. Also disconnect and unroot the wiring harness from the strut solenoid. Now, unroute the brake line from the bracket on the strut and remove the nut and bolt from the strut's lower mount. Remove the 3 nuts from the strut's upper mount. Then pull down on the wheel hub and remove the strut. The removal is now complete. Remove the brake line and wire harness brackets from the OEM strut. Install the brackets onto the new strut. Remove the shipping plug from the air valve and install the new Voss fitting included with the strut. Tighten the fitting to 2 Nm. Install the new strut into the vehicle as well as the lower mount nut and bolt. Tighten to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, install the 3 included upper mount nuts and route the brake line into the bracket on the strut. Route the wiring harness and connect it to the strut solenoid. Next, remove the shipping pin from the Voss fitting and install the airline. Prior to inserting the existing airline into the new air strut, you will need to remove the old original equipment airline fitting and discard. Do so by sliding the threaded portion up the line and then spread the collet open to remove it. Slide the air fitting off of the airline and discard the OE airline fitting. Scratches or deep cuts in the airline can result in possible leaks. Therefore, it is important to inspect the airline before insertion. If the airline is damaged, it needs to be replaced. Now, inflate the vehicle air suspension and reinstall the wheel. Lower the vehicle and you have completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air struts of a Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205 with Arnott remanufactured parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.